Hello everyone, good morning and good afternoon. This is Agazin, and here with a 5 minutes presentation, I would like to give you highlight about my research work on nurse educators critical competency here in Ethiopia, and our study was done on observational types of study in which nurse educators were invited to go through 10 station OSCE, which is a performance-based assessment. OSCE is objective, structured, and clinical examination types of assessment, which is mainly used in medical education to assess and evaluate learners' psychomotor capacity. So in our study, this before having the actual assessment, the stations, the blueprints were prepared with the involvement of experts from the ministry and the scholars from the universities. After that, it was piloted over 10 educators here in Addis Ababa. After that, after having so many modifications, we go to the field work for doing this assessment, and the assessment was done at 5 different sites in which university educators were invited and traveled to that data collection sites. So the most important thing is, the entire process was apart from its scientific rigorous work, since we were following the standard one, the educators participated in the study with or were not only participating, but they were learning from the entire process. So because it was to the standard. After we have got totally 207 educators were able to complete this assessment. Then these results were analyzed by using Stata as well as SPSS. Then the borderline regression method, in which the scores of each educators were aggregated at the station level as well as overall level. In the borderline one, which is referencing the performance of the candidates. The performance of the candidates taken as a reference. The tool was prepared to, the tool was prepared to assess each participant from two perspectives with a checklist and a global method. The global having 5-point Likert scale, and the checklist or the rating was having 3-point Likert scale. So what was the surprising one is, only 29% of educators were able to be competent during our assessment, which ranges from the maximum 62%, in which the cardiac history scoring higher one, and the lowest one is for nursing process, the nursing diagnosis, and so on. So what was the major express that we have learned from this study is really there is no capacity building. The performance of educators in relation to clinical experience or clinical performance is really catastrophic, which needs immediate attention. So from the group can learn from this that educators are the neglected group from the capacity building. So the stakeholders, the ministry, and so on, every administrator should work to keep the educators' clinical skill competency in order to enable them to nurture the upcoming nursing generation. Thank you for giving this chance. Once again, I would like to say thank you.